Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another behind the scenes for you that I filmed with Irene while she was here in Bali, and we basically got the same model and we ended up shooting two separate shoots, kind of with a similar styling and location obviously, but the results were quite different. So I urge you that you check out her behind the scenes and see how she shot her part. I'm going to link it down below in the description so you can check it out. Make sure to check out Irene's channel, and I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes. Let's get right into it. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell button to do not miss any of my future uploads.
Body oil. Number 1 element 20 shoot.
So for my part of the shoot, I ended up having two looks. First one was joined with Irene's. We shot the same look. And the second one was different for each and every one of us. I did a bit more of a sporty look and she ended up shooting a bit more of a dreamy kind of soft look. So make sure to check out her video yet again. For my settings, I was shooting first thing in the morning. It was around 8 o'clock or 8:30 when we started shooting. So the sun was still relatively low down. It was really hot already, but the sun wasn't as harsh, so I was able to place the model in the direct sunlight and I was able to have her kind of looking into the camera and so on. She was able to keep her eyes open, which was great.
So as you guys know, I really love shooting with direct sunlight. I think it's like my thing. You can see how much the body glistens and so on. So yeah, let's shoot some direct sunlight first. Sometimes I have this in the background because I think it looks pretty nice. I don't have a lot of this kind of stuff in my portfolio, so I feel like it looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, that's really beautiful. 400th of a second, 2.8. I'm shooting on 35. It's getting quite distorted. I love the textures and the shiny. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, we need to put this on your shoulders because otherwise it just looks kind of floppy. It's kind of sad and deflated. That's nice. So we tucked in the bottom of the top a tiny bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Just to kind of sexy it up a bit. It's just a bit too much. Nice. Maybe let's get you to sit down on this rock. Yes, beautiful. Nice.
My settings, most of the time I was shooting in direct sunlight, so I was shooting on a very high shutter speed and quite high aperture as well. My aperture was around 4. That's what I usually keep it when I want to keep some blur, but I also want to kind of, you know, add a bit more location and so on.
Nice. Love that. Yeah, super nice and dreamy because this top is like super like soft and stuff. Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice.
I decided to move on a tiny bit and just hide her a bit more in the shade because it was getting really unbearably hot, and it was getting kind of hard to shoot with the eyes open and so on.
And maybe have your tiny bit back so your hand is a bit more bent. Huh? Your hand not too straight, tiny bit more bent. Maybe lower, yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay. And push out your hips. Yeah, beautiful.
So for this particular shoot, I was back using my trusty Canon 5D Mark IV and the 24-70 2.8 lens. I was using it at different focal lengths, but I stuck mostly to between 30 and 40 mil. I just really like the distortion nowadays, and I just think it looks really nice on the model. It elongates their legs and so on, so I just kind of like it for swimmer in particular.
Actually, do you know what? No, let's go back to the stairs. I saw this one thing that I wanted to shoot. So just kind of like lying down on this, or actually even those stairs are fine. So kind of like half lying down, yeah.
Lay down.
So kind of, yeah, half. Yeah. Yes, that's beautiful.
Lower.
Yeah, possibly, yeah. Could do that. Beautiful. Yes. Gorgeous. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. That's amazing. Beautiful.
I did shoot a few images that were a bit
Beautiful.
closer up, maybe at like 50 or 60 mil. But obviously it just kind of depends on the situation. If you shoot a closer portrait, it's obviously better to shoot at a closer focal length. And if you're shooting a full body kind of fashion or swimwear kind of shoot, then it's better to stick to a wider lens.
Yes, that's really nice, you see? Maybe bring the legs closer here. Yes, yes, and closer to you, yeah. And closer? No, no, closer, yes. Beautiful, yes. Nice. Yes, that's beautiful. And maybe point your toes, yes. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nice. Yes. And twist your top here and your bottom here. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, beautiful. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Nice, beautiful. Yes.
For my second look, I decided to go for a bit more of a direct sunlight look yet again. It was getting a bit later in the day, so the shadows were getting a bit harsh, but I knew that I could fix it a bit in Lightroom, just soften them a tiny bit and so on, so I thought it would be a bit helpful, but I still thought that it would complement the look. I'm really happy with how the images turned out because they were super glowy. I did use a little body spray on our model. She had her own, it was like a tanning oil, so we just put that on her and it gave her a beautiful glow. For styling, we ended up using a swimwear that Irene brought with her, and it was just a very simple look. I wanted it to be very sporty. I saw those boards that were next to this little house on the rocks, and I thought it would look really nice.
It's really cool. Just the way you were sitting back, yeah, and just take the hair up, yeah. Nice. Not yet. Yes, love that, love that. Chin up, same. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And chin up, yeah. So just like here and just like your hands in the middle here. Yes. Yes, love that. Okay, I better not fall.
Don't fall, yeah.
Don't fall. So right now my settings are 5,000 of a second and 2.8 because I was shooting in direct sunlight. This will probably change now. Yeah, that's cool. So now I'm down to 2,000 of a second. As you see, she's kind of like half lit and half in the shade. So that's kind of a bit of a issue, but I can fix that in Photoshop. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes, beautiful. Nice. Yes, love that. Love that. The way you have your leg is perfect. Yes. Nice. And maybe your hands in the middle. Yes. Nice. Beautiful. Tiny bit more towards the light. Beautiful. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Love that. Love that. Beautiful. And can we get one where your other leg is on tiptoes as well? When you're doing that? Yes.
All in all, when shooting, I kept my Kelvins quite warm. My white balance, I think I was on probably 7,000. I usually like doing that because it gives me a good idea of how the final image is going to look. And then I just have less worry kind of color grading it afterwards. I ended up editing the photos using my new Lightroom presets that I'm going to release very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. I've been working on new colors and contrasts and so on, so I hope you will like it. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out Irene's side of the behind the scenes, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.